You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy. I'm at my start off first by saying, thank God it's Friday. To the name Friday. So you know that's up they got ready. So people, if for the first year check out the Chaddy More TV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So people, what's going on? Let me tell you what go on. Vibes Kartel just dropped a song when name Tip, and we are gonna check it out right now.
A girl can't take a man, she a fi sucking man left him. Get a one touch your time up, so keep stepping. See you wanna run, what do it, you know the stressing. Anything you do, your man a say it impress him when you.
Wanna get a little preview right there. So people, you know say the song is produced by TJ Records and the rhythm name Dancehall Posse. And me are telling the people that rhythm bad. It give you the authentic dancehall sounds. You see me? Other persons on the track, man like Chronicler, you see me? Ishawna the on the track, Massacre the on the track, and a young artist called Intense the on the track. So people, uno can go check it out. You see me? But me feel like say at the Vibes Kartel are on the track right now still. Even though the Chronicler are going with a bag of things. So me play the Chronicler phone, make on hear how that's something they go.
Inform on us stay around here, so we no play those games round here, so better keep your mouth locked, boy. No repeat what you hear about. No repeat what you hear about, boy. We no play around here, so we shot people with stray around here, so a brawling middle dear boy, and we no care about lock up like figure skull crack up.
So yeah people, it's a very good project. You can go check it out. You see me, the rhythm name Dancehall Posse. Other songs they pan it too. The Massacre they pan it me like. The Ishawna they pan it they like. Me like me never check out the song when name Intense, you see me? Or the youth when name Intense. So you can go check it out and tell me what you think. People, you go and go check out the rhythm. TG, very good project. Me like the authentic dancehall sounds and all these things. You see me? So make we move on now. People, uno check out Ishawna, cause me never know say Ishawna turn selector. Uno pre that W.
Ishawna! The one of them a chat, you know, come fin and no labyrinth and no drama. Them fin know you roll deep and Obama. You're better than David Brooks and Adisha Palmer. A warlord with the llama. I want to them fool with them feel like a stush war. A buckle and bush war. I want to them fool. Ishawna, yo, what them feel like? Anything pretty? The war get dirty and mucky and sticky. Ishawna, your dubs don't join lodge, them don't join church. Disrespect we sound like the ladder. Give we no talk to kill this warlord. Word just up in dead. Ishawna, drivers, ask them a who.
Yo, me say people, me feel good for see that video there. Me feel good for hear that dub there. Me don't know what Ishawna go do with that dub there still, cause me know Ishawna as a DJ. I don't know Ishawna as a selector. I don't know Ishawna as somebody we are gonna kill sound or not like that. But people, you remember probably a year or two back when Ishawna they run the place with the equal rights songs. It was Bounty Killer did a hit out pan Ishawna, and I say yo X, Y and Z, yo Ishawna come dirty up the music and all these things, and me know say them never really too good. But when me see that W and then me look in at the comment section and a Rodney Price himself a comment on the Ishawna page, me love that. Me love the unity. You see me? If you know say the elders in the dance hall and the younger generation can forward and do the thing. But people, if you no think, you no know where Ishawna I go do with that W, just comment in the comment section below, because people, I don't have a clue. So people, want to check out this skit by a comedian named Marlon Focus, and people, hit bad, check it out.
Babe, my flight ready. So I'm off for going now.
Listen. Before you leave more, you know, say you're the best girlfriend I ever have, alright? The connection with me I have is pure. I'm not gonna ever find out with nobody else. Let me tell you, say you're the love of my life, alright? I love you. I love you more than life itself. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Why you believe me? Why, God? Why?
Man, what's wrong with you? Me hear your prayer come in. What's wrong with you? Tell me.
I lose somebody special
Tell me about it. Your wife can make it better.
No, you can't. You don't understand. You wouldn't understand.
No youth, you're serious, you're deadly. Me can't believe. After all you're gone, youth, you have a wife at home. People, the comedian name is called Marlon Focus. You can go and go check him out over IG. You see me? I think at Marlon Focus. Anyhow, him links depend the video. You see me? So just go on over IG, go check him out. Bad piece of comedian. So people, Curvy Diva claims says she done pregnant after uploading this video.
Surprise! Hey guys, I'm so excited. Hey.
Yeah, so she took it to the star after releasing that video, having everyone tricked, having everybody fooled, say she pregnant. Anyway, still, the post read, Yanique Curvy Diva Barrett created a social media firestorm on Wednesday night when she posted a video of herself with what appears to be a baby bump. In the video, the TV host turned recorded artist can be seen rubbing her belly, which were protruding from her silk dress. Although Curvy Diva did not mention anything about expecting a child in the post, the vision of her raised her belly was enough to cause speculation. Almost 1,000 persons commented on the post, the majority of whom sought confirmation from Curvy Diva on whether or not she was indeed with a child. So people, that's all coming from the star, you see me? So I guess she wasn't pregnant, she just want probably some attention, you see me? Cause the article went on by saying she have a new album. Our publicist state that she have a new album for drop this year, include tracks with DeMarco and stuff like that. So I guess she want a few attention. Me no know. Tell me what you wanna think in the comment section below. So people, last story me have to bring towards you. I saw this article and me I tell you say it moved me. Me did have it forward from my platform and talk about it. And the headline read, sickle cell patient seeks help to do surgery. 27-year-old Adrian Gillespie was diagnosed with sickle cell at birth, but his condition has worsened over time. In November last year, he was diagnosed with avascular necrosis, the death of bone tissues, which result in joint pain and limit his mobility to move. And people, the article go on and on and on, stated that he need over $1 million for do surgery, and you don't know the thing go. Them can't afford it and stuff like that. A GoFundMe was created for Adrian. You see me? So people, me go left the link in the comment section. So if you don't feel the will to donate, please do so. If you can't donate, please share the story with someone who maybe can donate. Me I telling the people, you see that sickle cell something there, it real. It real. And that's why I decide to put it in the review, and probably me do a next follow-up review about that sickle cell something here. Cause people, me know about that sickle cell something here first hand. So if you can donate, me a beg you know. Just donate if it's even $1 US. Just donate, man. Please. Alright, tell somebody we can donate. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you are watching on Facebook, please click follow on the page. React to the video anywhere you want to react to it. Whether you want to smile, angry face, anything you want to do. Just tweet them, man. And if you are watching on YouTube, click the subscribe button, turn on post notification, hit the like button. Let me know about all of the topics them want me talk about in the comment section. You see me? Just comment and let me know what you wanna think. So people, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out.
A girl can't take your man, she a fi sucking man left him. Get a one touch your time up, so keep stepping. See you wanna run, what do it, you know do stressing. Anything you do, your man a say it impressing.